Hey y'all. Now, as you all can see, I'm in the car, right? And I'm trying to do the most difficult thing there is. Guys, my nails coming off. Look at this. I lose two already. Right? I am trying to put on my steering wheel cover. I've tried for must be half an hour already. I ain't get nowhere yet. It's frustrating. It really and truly frustrating. You hear me? It is frustrating. So let me show you all where I reach. Right? Let me show you. Okay. So I'm here. This is the cover I bought. Is a cover with chrome strips. Right? And this is what I do it. All yeah, my nails lifting. It lifting, it crack. I lose them all already. Right? Trying to put on this cover. Now I decide to film this while I don't have my tripod with me to hold this thing. So I'm with one hand right now trying to get this thing on. I'm frustrated. And I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. I say, alright, I buy my thing, I'm happy it come. And now look, stress. Don't mind that garbage bag all you see in there. But a plastic bag over my mirror. That's for them bird and them not to mess up my car because they're overdoing the do. You know? So, I'm going and see if I can get this on. I will show you all how it turned out. If it turned out, how it's supposed to turn out. You know? Give me a minute. Okay, guys. So, I went and got my tripod. So, I can set you all up to see the struggle, right? To see the struggle here. So, as all you know, right about now, I attempted to cut this shit. I bring my nail clipper. Well, let me see what we could do without having to go extreme now, boy. So, I have a screwdriver here. Here to see now. Let me see if we could get it here. I don't have much to go again, you know. Watch. I don't have much again. That. Yeah, let's watch this scene and everything, right? Let me see if we can get this one. Alright. So I'm using a screwdriver. I kinda push. All I have is this side to get below the wheel. So if we could pull it. Oh! If I see the struggle I was going through before. And so easy. Okay. All you see the struggle that I was going through all the time. I think about it later. But then, all it. So cute. Oh, it's so cute. Tell me you're not cute. Tell me not cute. Tell me it's not cute. What happened? You want to go with your friends? Yeah, guys. So, I'm going to show you. Tell me you're not cute now. I'm sitting in this hot car trying to figure this out. Right? Trust me. Or they even see half of it. So I tell you, I lose 2 nails already. Right? Or they see half of it. But, get a screwdriver. And pull and tug. Don't mash up your cover. But, you know, do your thing now. Anyway. Right? So, let me just show you what it's looking like. Right? So, this is chrome cover. Like that's the thing that wasn't started yet on my foot and whatever, so don't study that. Yeah, but this is it. It's so cute. It looks so cute. Tell me you don't find it look cute. Yo. When the sun hits it, ooh, it will look even cuter. It's so good, it's so good. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, let's play the fool. I'm gone. Bye, guys.